Welcome to the first episode of Wei Yeen Weighs In, where I'll be weighing in on the latest in beauty. So today, in conjunction of International Women's Day, I'll be using the Dyson Airwrap Styler to create 3 different boss girl-worthy hairstyles, under 10 minutes each. So if you don't know much about the Dyson Airwrap Styler, you can click on the link below for the full review. Now let's begin! So as you can tell, my hair is prepared for the tutorials. But before we begin, here is the Dyson Airwrap Complete. It comes with 8 different attachments and we'll be using a few of them today for our hair tutorials. So this is the pre-styling dryer, and I'm going to begin with this for each of the tutorial to just blow dry my scalp and leave my hair about 60% damp to better style it. So let's begin! So now that my hair is half dry, I'm going to create the first look, which is a low sleek bun. So I'm going to brush out my ends with the soft smoothing brush for a sleek look. Now that my hair is sleek and straight, as you can tell, I'm going to use a fine-tooth comb to create a center part. And then I'm going to tie my hair into a low ponytail, twist it into a bun, and then secure it with a hair tie. And we're done! For my second look, I'm going to create a Korean-inspired hairstyle that is great for anyone who's looking for more volume and shape to your hair. Now I'm using the round volumizing brush to create more volume. After sectioning my hair with clips, I'm twisting the brush upwards and inwards to give it an S-shaped wave. And then a spritz of hairspray to keep my hair in place. There you have it, a Korean-inspired look with lots of volume. For the third look, we're going to create messy beachy waves with the 30mm barrel. So I'm pointing the Airwrap downwards and starting my hair outwards and away from my face to create a more natural looking wave. After using my fingers to loosen my hair, I'm going to apply smoothing serum to give my curls extra shine. And there you have it! The Dyson Airwrap Styler is super versatile and you can create a multitude of looks with it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Click on the link below for my thoughts on it. Thanks for watching!